Castrol, our research shows that up to 75% of engine wear happens during warm-up. But once moving, a normal urban car can stop and start 18,000 times a year. And this causes damage too. You need an oil that protects against both warm-up wear and wear caused when restarting in busy traffic. Just imagine, if we lived in a world without gravity, you wouldn't need to worry about oil draining back into the sun. But in reality, when a car isn't running, gravity causes oil to drain away, leaving vulnerable metal parts exposed. Castrol MAGNATEC with DUALOCK technology offers a unique solution. It clings, locks, and protects, providing 50% better protection from warm-up wear and restart wear. That's why mechanics choose Castrol MAGNATEC to protect millions of engines all around the world. If you want better protection from wear, change for the better. Change to Castrol MAGNATEC with DUALOCK technology. Non-stop protection from every start.